measured by degree. Rambling fever. There ain't no kind of cure for my disease. There ain't no kind of cure for my disease.
Isn't she cute? Who? That little girl over there, she's so cute.
Oh my God, people who are a little damp right now. Sit here.
Cute? We got to get back there and do the tent, or else we're going to not be doing it in the dark. I don't think 7 months old, 16.
She got a roof that don't leak when the rain's coming down. Got a place I can sleep where I'm safe and I'm sound. She got a lock on her door, but she gave me a key. She don't walk the floor.